He's up there. He's right up there. It's this little freaking woodpecker that's been banging at this thing all morning. I've been dying to figure out what that's happening noise was, but I just couldn't find it. He's talking to some other one over there in that region. He's right on oh, there he goes. If you can even see his silhouette, he's stuck right up there. Up top. Man, we've seen owls and stuff before here. He's like talking to someone. One idiot. He's gonna get zapped though. He keeps moving. Just barely twitching. Oh look, there it is again. I think there's 3 of them. Oh shoot. There's 1, 2, and 3. I think they're like spread out along the forest line.